Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. Do you want to know how we can install the latest version of Eclipse IDE? So this video is for you. So first open your any favorite web browser and just type download Eclipse and hit on enter. Go to www.eclipse.org. This is the first link. Click on this first link. Now here you can see you can directly download from here, but I am going to download from download packages, right? Here you can see there are different exe files, right? There are different Eclipse IDE packages, but we want Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers, right? So click on this. Here you can see download link Windows, Mac, Linux. So depending upon your operating system, you can download from here. So I am using Windows, so I will click this link, right? Windows 64. So you can see this download button. So simply click on download. You can see a message, thank you for your download. Here you can see downloading is started, right? So I have already downloaded this latest version of Eclipse IDE. So I don't want to again download. You can download here. Let's see how to install the Eclipse IDE, right? So here you can see I have already downloaded, and here you can see Eclipse 2025-12, right? I have already downloaded the latest version of Eclipse IDE. Now you can see Eclipse are never installed, right? Because we downloaded the zip file. So what we need to? We need to only extract the file, right? So how you can extract? Here I have already extracted. You can extract from like right click, select the zip file, and you can click here extract here, right? Like I can show you again. Delete this one. I have already. Now you can see how to extract the zip file, right? So select this and extract here. Click on extract here. So now you can see zip file is unzipped, right? Eclipse folder. So go to Eclipse folder and here you can see Eclipse application, right? So always you have to open from here, Eclipse application. So double click on that. Now you can see Eclipse IDE 2025-12 is now opening, right? So first time it will take time to launch the Eclipse IDE. Let's see how to create Eclipse IDE shortcut, right? So open where you have saved your zip file. So you can see Eclipse 2025-12 folder I have created, right? Here you can see Eclipse and Eclipse application. So select this and you can see send to desktop create shortcut, or you can directly create shortcut here. So I want to on desktop, right? Send to desktop create shortcut. Click this. Now you can see desktop Eclipse shortcut to create, right? So I can give here Eclipse 2025 underscore 12, right? Now Eclipse is launched. Select a directory as a workspace. The workspace means where is all your project will be saved, right? So browse, because I want to save all my projects in D drive. So I will go to D drive and here I will create a new folder. So how you can create a new folder? Simply just press Ctrl Shift N. You can see new folder is created and give name is Workspace, right? For Java, right? Select folder. Now you can see D workspace for Java, right? Now simply click on launch button. Now you can see Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers is opened, right? So close this welcome page, right? So firstly I want to change the theme of this Eclipse IDE. How to change theme or color? Go to window, go to preferences, and here you can see general. Click on that. Here you can see appearance, right? And here you can see theme dark, right? So do light. Here you can also change color and font theme, but I only want theme, right? So click on apply and apply and don't restart, apply and close, right? Now you can see the theme is changed in white mode, right? Now let's set up the JDK in the latest version of Eclipse IDE, right? Here again go to window and go to preferences, and here go to general and type here installed JREs, right? Here you can see the JDK I have import in my Eclipse IDE. So how to configure? So simply go to add button, select standard VM, click on next. Here JRE home, select directory. Here go to C drive and go to program files, and here you can see Java, right? So here is the Java versions you have installed at your system. So select your latest JDK version. So I am going to select JDK 25, right? And select. Here you can see JRE name already used, right? Why? Because I have already imported, so that's why it's giving me. So from that you can, so like this you can set up the JRE now. So JDK 25 already imported, right? So simply click on apply and close, apply and close. Now how to create a simple Java project? So go to file, select new and go to Java project, go to select project and here type Java project, select Java project, click on next button. Here you can see JDK 25 it is using, right? So give project name like Java app underscore 1, right? So simply click on finish button. Click on no, open associated perspective. Remember my choice, no. Now you can see Java app 1. Go to SRC and here first we will create a simple package. So how we will create a package? Package means folder, right? So go to new and create a package. Here give package name. So I am going to give package name. You can see Java app 1 package name, or you can change also like this P1, right? Now select P1 and go to new, and here after creating project, after creating package, what we will create? We will create a class, right? So simply click on class. Here give class name. Like I am giving class name A, right? Simply click on finish button. Now you can see class A is created, right? So let's create here main method. Type MA, press Ctrl space bar, enter, right? Save it. Now type SYSO, SYSO. Press Ctrl space bar, enter. For system out dot println, right? Pass here message happy new year 2026, right? Save it. Now how to run the Java project in Eclipse IDE, right? So you can see this is a run.java, right? You can see run as Java application. You can do also, or directly click on this button. Now you can see Happy New Year 2026, right? So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye. Take care.